Hello guys, these are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. One small possible thought in the morning can change your whole day. In the page 228, we got look at the text on page 226 and circle the serial commas and conjunctions that specify an idea or concept. In which of the sentences is a serial comma used to reduce ambiguity? Explain your answer. You got an example here. Mix water with flour. Heat the mixture until it boils. Next, we got think about an environmental issue, problem, or possible solution you can expose or portray with a sculpture. List all the materials that can be useful to make such sculpture. And you got here an examples. A car producing smoke, all CDs for wheels, several boxes for the skeleton of the car, long spiral strips cut off of plastic bottles to represent smoke, masking tape, glue, and paint. Next, we got portfolio, write instructions on how to make a sculpture out of recycled materials. Use tips on this page to do it. You can also take the text on page 226 as a model. Make sure that you use serial commas, some vocabulary words, and grammar structures of the unit. In the page 229, we got vocabulary builder. Listen to the vocabulary list again and repeat with your best pronunciation and intonation. Find vocabulary words from the box in the word search, like in the example, air conditioning. Next to that, we got match the words that rhyme. And we got here an example, solution, pollution. In the page 230, we got listening. Listen to the dialogue, track 28. Circle the correct option to finish each sentence. And we got an example here. Number 1, Alan is talking about the garbage production statistics. And you need to answer. Found on the internet, read about in a book, saw in a video. And the answer is C. Next to that, we got listen to the presentation, track 29. Decide if the following statements are true or false. Number 1, the main topic of the conversation is the consequences of global warming. 2, global warming is an increase in the average amount of rain. This is false. Next, we got listen to the presentation, track 29 again. Circle the pictures that represent some of the negative effects of global warming. And we got here an example with a circle. Next, you're gonna answer self-assessment, learning to learn. What do I usually do if I don't know some of the words from the listening? And you're going to write your answer here, okay? In the page 339, we got activity 1 review. Listen to track 29 again, read the questions, and circle the correct answers. Number 1, global warming refers to an increase in the highest temperature rates in a given country, the temperature of a specific country, Earth's average temperature, and this is the correct answer. Activity 2, reinforcement. Listen to track 28 again, then match the words below to their meanings. And we got number 1, garbage, trash. Activity 3, extension. Listen to track 28 again, then answer the questions. How many tons of trash do people produce every year? 2.2 billion tons. That's all for this week, guys. Take care and remember, stay at home. Always do your best.